Magsisimula na ang paghahanda para sa impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Ayon kay Senate Secretary at Clerk of Court Attorney Renato Bantug Jr., matapos ang 5 araw na pre-trial conference, sunod na nilang aasikasuhin ang pagbuo ng pre-trial order.
I cannot estimate yet the time that it will take us to complete the draft of the pre-trial order, but we'll finish it as soon as fast as humanly possible. I've talked to the staff. I've told them that if we have to work through the weekend, then we would.
Ang pre-trial order ay ang dokumentong magsasaad kung paano magbubukas ang mga paglilitis sa impeachment. Dito na rin magsisimulang ihanda ang mga ebidensyang ipepresenta sa senator judges.
Usually it contains, essentially a pre-trial order is the roadmap on how the trial can best be conducted, taking into consideration the respective positions of the parties. No? If there had been any agreed stipulation, then the pre-trial order will say so. If there had been any agreement reached by the parties during the pre-trial conference, that will be stated in the pre-trial.
Samantala, dagdag ng Clerk of Court, sa kasalukuyan inaasahang magkakaroon ng 92 trial dates ang impeachment case ni Vice President Duterte.
The prosecution initially stated that it will take them 62 trial days to finish the completion of their presentation of evidence. And the defense said that it will take them 30 trial days, no? Not 30 days, 30 trial days. Yeah, if you add 62 and 30, that's 92 trial days. Yes, that's their presentation period. That's their projection. That's the projection of the trial days that they need in order to complete the presentation of the respective evidence.
Sa ngayon, nananatili ang orihinal na trial date sa July 6 para sa opisyal na pagsisimula ng paglilitis sa pangalawang Pangulo. Jed Neresina, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.